Oh wow, I've just found such a very weird alienistic looking goose. If you don't know what that is supposed to be a Canada goose crossed with a domestic grey-lag goose. That is strange. But it does happen. And what's over the other side here, as I'm filming here in 2025, if I look around here, that is a fake wooden duck. That there. And over here is the Canada / domestic grey-lag goose hybrid. That's fairly unusual, but that's fairly cool. A lot of people are feeding birds in January, but then I really don't hate for that part of other people going outside and stuff. It's still good. And people are still feeding the birds because it's straightforward freezing cold, but they do it all year round, you know. There might be more feeding activity coming along the way here. Oh, I think there's one coming around here. For some strange reason, because I got a face mask on, that goose really suspects that I'm one of them. And this coot here looks like it's being very agile here. And there's some of the gulls here. Look at this one's coming to its summer plumage, that black-headed one. Coot's not looking too happy about the other one coming out to its neighbourhood. There's a lot of crowding of birds here because it's winter time. It's meant to snow tonight, but I'll be there in a short time. And there's more feeding of the birds here. This is crazy. Oh look, there's tufted duck. Oh, there's more feeding frenzies. As you can see, look at the amount of feeding right here. That's a lot of feeding right here. Oh crikeys, can you see how much feeding there is? There is a lot of it right here. And that goose here, I thought it was hissing, but then it's actually just straightforward honking for food. Oh well, there's just so much of it here. And there's a couple of magpies here. There's not many rare birds that you could probably see in the park here, but it is quite fairly substantial in terms of how many birds there are. And the water here currently is actually it's straightforward flowing. It's flowing like natural. But it is a park, so you can't expect it to be fairly connected to a river. It's not really that man-made in general somehow. Okay, I'm actually at Woodgate Valley Urban Country Park, or Urban Farm actually. I just saw a migrating congregation of seagulls here, but right over here there's a beautiful looking farm filled with chickens and ducks, of course, and there's also geese in that farm here. Unfortunately, the farm is not open to the public this time, I'm afraid. It would have been so much better during springtime, but here they are. It looks like I can see the animals being straightforward fed, so I don't know. Yeah, it looks a bit locked, like there's none coming out here. Yeah, it's actually quite a bit unfortunate to see the farm actually getting closed. Maybe it's because it's a bit too cold. You know, if you come here during springtime, it would actually be much more appropriate for, you know, that kind of act, just to see animals at this time. Yeah, it's actually, yeah, a little bit sad to hear that you just can't really see them very close. You just can't get towards them very, very close. Yeah, it's actually quite relatively sad that you just can't really get there within a cinch just to see whatever the hell is going on here. We've got chickens, we've got ducks, we've got geese, and we've also got crows and seagulls. If I turn the brightness, there's a big bird flock right here. And I can hear a plane in the background, but or is it something else? No, that's actually the sound of a tractor. I didn't realize that. I think I just heard some sounds. Oh my goodness me, I can see a beautiful bird right there. What's that? Is that a blue tit? Just a very small little bird right there. Or is it great tit? I've got no idea what bird that is. I think every time when it's New Year's Eve and New Year's Day, it always seems to start all over the whole specimen count of whatever I look at. And it's off. Yeah, it's a bit sad that I've already seen some sheep in the park here. And I've also seen other animals. I've seen some goats. It's a beautiful looking park. Little farm, whatever it's called. But I don't think you can just clearly see the animals that close. Because it's already been fenced up. Oh, there's a pig right here. I can just see hints of pig. Right there in the farm. If I just lift up just a bit. There, I think I can just see there's about 2 pigs right here. There they are. Looks lovely somehow. And there you go, there's a chicken farm right over here. Chicken coop, whatever it's called. And it looks like they're all resting because it is absolutely freezing cold at this time of the year. Seems ridiculous to come out, but hi. Feels quite nice. Well, I might as well just end the whole video here. I've actually just spent about 6 to 8 minutes throughout the whole park. It's probably best I have to end the video here because, you know, whoa, there's a giant pig right here. Seems like I've got 3 pigs right here in this whole farm. That is a big fat pig. And that is one giant porker, that one. That is massive. That is a very huge size looking pig. I could even make into billions of pork chops from this one. That is amazing. Seeing all these pigs, that is just amazing. Is that a Tamworth pig? Or is it? I can't remember what pig breed is that. That is just amazing somehow. Anyways, I might as well just straightforward end the video here. It's probably way too long to feature everything in this video on YouTube. So if you really enjoyed in this very strange video on YouTube, which I believe YouTube really hates so much of late. Wow, look at that pig. That is just massive. I might as well just pretty much end the video here. Oh, I can see a wren there. Little tiny little bird. Looks like the pig is going to go for a nice feed. Wow, I can't believe it. Don't know what's going on here. I feel like it's going to be a long ending here because, hey, that pig is getting a nice bit. I don't know what I'm probably saying here. It's a nice bit of feed. Bit of food right there. I'd rather give more food than that. Chickens on the background are quite jealous of that porker right here. And there's all the other pigs. How amazing is that? I can't really tell. Oh, I can see. Oh my goodness! I can see one of the chickens right over at. Oh my goodness me! At the fence here, it's just perched a bit. Amazing seeing chickens and pigs. Fantastic farm. Anyways, I'm going to leave the video here. So, if you really enjoyed so much of that video about my trip to Murray Stevens Park in Stourbridge, and also Woodgate Valley Urban Country Park Farm thing, whatever it's called. I can't really talk well because I've been bombarded by people who are not really fluent in English. But anyways, I think I should straightforward end the video here now. Or else the video will be way too long for today's stupid YouTube. Please give this video a like. Subscribe for more of that videos in the future. And as always, thanks so much for watching, and bye for now.